wish you warm welcome to our digital meeting. And today I am very happy to share that we have Mr. Ankit Agarwal from Kolkata. He's a young inter CA and running his family business. And I am very happy to share that he has successfully completed his two exam, both exam, retirement planning and employee benefit, and second risk analysis and insurance planning at first attempt average 60% plus. Congratulations, Ankit.
Thank you. When I joined my CA firm in training, internship training, so there we used to prepare individual files, financial statements, and we used to return files. So I always used to ask my principals, sir, there that about the products, but obviously the main thing, motive of CA is to prepare financial statement and to file return. They never had that in-depth knowledge about the earlier. Whenever I used to think about investment, my only motive was to earn higher return.
Okay.
This was my only motive.
Okay.
But after taking your classes and after understanding the concept of financial planning in your lectures, I understood more important for as an individual or as a family is financial goals. So first priority should be given to the financial goals, and based on that, products should be selected, and we should not look for. I've changed the mindset of my family members itself. They were always like कि long term के लिए अगर safe product में कुछ investment करना है तो that is LIC.
Okay.
So I explained them about that LIC is not an investment; it's a risk coverage product. So you should not take it as an investment. I helped them in changing that mindset. Second, I had an investment in PPF, but I never thought of that as a retirement goals or something. I was just doing. So I now I have made as a good part of my asset allocation, my personal portfolio. Then in equity share, I used to invest a lot, thinking that I will get a good return. But then I understood I got a lot of losses there. So from there, I cut off my investment, and now I am more into equity mutual fund because that is professionally managed by asset management companies. So when I saw your video on YouTube channel, means I saw 10 to 15 videos of your past student who has already cleared CFP with you. So I saw their success story, and I got to learn that taking lectures from you will help me in a very practical world. Means I just didn't want to have a degree. I wanted to have a clarity, means concept clarity, that when as soon as I will get a certificate, one of the comprehensive financial plan that I've prepared for my friend's brother. So his age is 39 years and her spouse is 34 years, and she has one daughter. They have one daughter, Vidhi Gupta, 3 years. And they said their expected life expectancy of Vinay ji is 75 years and Nidhi ji is 80 years. And Vinay ji is currently working in one of the MNCs, and his annual income is 18 lakhs per annum.
Okay.
The existing asset details that. So what I have seen actually, sir, so most of the students, including me, a lot of people are just thinking whatever is said by the society or whatever is been suggested by the friends or family members. So they run after that degree only. They never they run after the crowd. They don't take less traveled road. But if they would have understood the importance of other international courses like CFP, or actually 3-4 days back only, I suggested one of my customers' daughter also came to me in my shop. She was doing actually CS. She was not clearing her CS 2-3 attempts. So I suggested her to go for CFP course. I suggested her you should think out of the box and should go for CFP, not only look for what the society and the friends are telling you, what the family members are suggesting you. I suggested her because nobody, I'm sure that 99 out of 100 don't prepare their financial plan just based on market tips or based on return. They invest their money. So first of all, my goal is to, at least in next 5 years, I will be thinking of 100 family that I will make a comprehensive financial plan, goal based comprehensive financial plan, and based on that only I will